Does my hair look okay?
Remember what I said now?
Oh my god, I can't. Right.
Dan. No, no.
My favourite thing to do with my family is to sit in the living room and watch film together.
My favourite thing to do with my parents is to go shopping and spend my father's money.
Go for walks and doing stuff around the farm.
Family game night where all my family come over on the weekend and we all play board games.
The best thing about my parents is they're supporting, loving and caring.
My parents are fun and like caring, but they also know like when to be supportive and understanding.
They support me with any decisions and they help me in hard times.
Sometimes my mum just stopped trying to be one of the boys.
The most annoying thing about my parents is that they like to baby me a lot.
The fact that they give me a curfew when it's 9 o'clock, whereas all my other friends' curfews are 10 o'clock.
Yeah, they are a bit overprotective.
When I do something wrong, my parents show me the negative effects it can have on others and how not to be in that situation or do what you've done wrong. Yeah, makes me feel that I have a wider knowledge of other people's feelings and my actions as a consequence.
When I do something wrong, my parents respond in a mature way and they try and deal with the situation before punishing me. It makes me feel like my opinion matters.
My parents help me by helping me do homework and finish my coursework on time.
My parents help me by supporting me through hard times and they ask me if I'm okay and help me with whatever I need.
Any issues going on in my life, they're willing to help me with them.
Telling me what is wrong and what is right with what I am doing.
Yeah, whenever I need help on any assignments in school, my mother's there to help, even though she probably hasn't got a clue half the time.
I think that a positive home life is when there's a lot of communication and mutual respect.
Laughter and love.
Is when you got someone to fall back on if anything happens to you.
I have a very positive relationship with my mother.
I have a very positive relationship with my own parents and they respect my decisions and stuff.
There's no such thing as perfect parent, because everyone makes mistakes.
As a youngster, I'm learning off my mother and my mother's learning off me as we both get older and more mature.
Everyone has a way in which their parents are and is completely different and unique.
Be positive, not perfect. I think I went red about 24 times.